Are you looking to learn more about cybersecurity and want to find the best YouTube channels to help you? There are tons of great resources out there, and we found some of the best channels that are going to help you level up your skills. All right? So first, the Cyber Mentor is an amazing channel for ethical hacking and penetration testing. The content is clear and helps you understand real-world hacking techniques. Another great channel is Hack5, HAK5, which is known for its in-depth tech reviews, tutorials, and discussions on cybersecurity tools. If you want to learn about various cybersecurity topics in easy-to-understand ways, check out NetworkChuck. He covers everything from networking basics to security techniques, and his videos are super fun to watch. There's also Computerphile. I'll put the spelling in the description. It's also a great channel that breaks down complex cybersecurity topics into simple, easy to understand explanations. Lastly, cybersecurity-student. That channel is perfect for beginners, offering tutorials, discussions, and tips on how to start a career in cybersecurity. So these channels are going to give you the knowledge and skills that you need to dive deeper into cybersecurity. So if you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.